Don't look at me. Work.
Alright.
Keep it on high, baby.
Keep it on what?
Keep it on high, baby.
Alright, I'm done.
There you go, Dale. Keep it on high. Welcome back to Keep It On High. So today I'll be showing a promotional video I shot for Charlotte Aquatics in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's a pretty awesome swim school for children, so let's check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm constantly doing different types of videos, constantly doing different types of shoots. You don't want to miss